Hello everyone, how are y'all doing today? I'm separating my diamond painting, little diamonds, for that kit I got at Christmas with the waterfall and all. I'm separating them out and putting them in these little bags. But here's the diamond painting, if you can see it. There's that waterfall. I don't know if you can see it or not, but yeah. Well, here's another picture right here. It's the waterfall diamond paint. And I'm separating, it's got the numbers, and it gives you some bags. I have some of these extra just in case. I got them from Dollar Tree. But it gave me some bags. I'm bagging them up so I can use them. I had started on it a little bit. I love it. I went to Walmart the other day, and I was surprised. I had been wanting this little cross stitch. It's got everything in it, and it was $10. And I went in there yesterday. It was half price. We got our things impossible. It was $10. It was $4.99. So I ended up with it yesterday. But what I do is I take my number. That's an $8.95. An $8.95 on here is an R, and it'll be an R on here, one of the letters, if I get to that one. So I'm just gonna bag up a few of these. I'm just showing y'all what I'm doing today. Ain't nothing too special, but it's just what I'm doing. I take it. I wish I had a lot of these, but they might come open, I don't know. But I fit them in here. I'm gonna put them in order, alphabet, by numbers. But this is a $8.95 one. Open, pour it very carefully. These things will go everywhere. And I get all the air out that I can. And I take my $8.95, cut it out. I paste it on here with some tape. And that was done. And when you get ready to use it, you just pour it out in this little tray and pick them up with the, the little wax on the middle. The wax is right there. But anyway, I probably won't have enough of these Ziplocs. I probably will have to use some of those. They don't never give you enough. But this is a 913, and a 913 on the chart is an S. Careful. They will go everywhere. I have a little video where I did one of the Dollar Tree keychains, and it's got a big blooper in it. It should be coming out soon. It's funny. I made a mess. I left it in there. I'll show y'all. It's a little diamond paint keychain. Should be coming out in a few days. No, 913 on there. Well, I'm not going to bore y'all with any more of this. I was just showing y'all what I was doing today. If y'all like my videos, like, share, subscribe. And have a great day.